You are looking for a super simple, easy fall, everyday look that just releases all the autumnal vibes. This one is for you. Yes, anybody can do this one. Anybody, even you. Yes, you. Maybe not you. No, I'm just kidding you. You can do this. Pick one color and one mascara, and this look is all yours. Not doing anything crazy, not blending anything together, not doing a cut crease, not doing a winged liner, not doing a cat eye, not doing a halo, not doing anything crazy. One color. I'm telling you, anybody can do this. So let me quickly walk you through the steps. Building your base is the most important step of your entire makeup routine. A primer is number one. Not only by using it are you going to use less makeup, the makeup you are using is going to last all day. Step two is your foundation. Applying this all over the face is really going to set the tone and give you that balanced complexion and that balanced base to build your beautiful creative look on top of it. I always apply my foundation with a brush. I feel that it gives me the most even coverage and uses the product really efficiently because like no product gets left behind on the brush, as opposed to if you're using your fingers or a sponge, it either absorbs into the sponge or absorbs into your skin on your fingers. Plus there's just sanitation problems to worry about when using your hands to apply your cosmetics. After it's applied with the brush, I do go in with a wet sponge, and bouncing the sponge across the face is going to pick up any excess foundation that's pretty unnecessary, and it's also going to smooth away any brush strokes that were left behind. And lastly, you can set it with a powder. Now, I'd say more often than not, I do set my makeup with a powder. I think it's pretty darn essential to do if I'm going to be around any sort of bright lights to kind of cancel out that bounce back of any shine. So to do that, I use either a sponge or a brush, and I put it under my eyes and then also around my nose and on my forehead, anywhere that gets excessively oily. Then I just go in with my soft fluffy brush and sweep away any excess powder. Now we know that our base is locked in for the day. When thinking about today's look, I want to keep it very simple. So I didn't use any color correcting concealers or any concealers at all in building my base. I want to use the least amount of products possible. Now I want to go in and build a little bit of a contour. So I'm just going to use one of my favorite bronzers, get a little bit on the end of my brush, and start to just put a little bit under the cheekbone here. And then start to bring that up. Just add a little bit of shading there. Next up, I'm going to touch up my brows. And one thing I like to point out here is that I really do my brow in a different way depending on the look that I'm completing. Today, we're going for a more simple look. Going to grab the powder and just fill in any bald spots. Okay. I love a nice, natural, fluffy brow. I don't ever try to sculpt them too much. And this is just so easy and fast to do. So I really feel like we can use like one product for the color on our face. So I'm thinking our cheeks and our eyeshadow can all be one color. I just unwrapped this nice brown, it's a deep blush, and it's called Cumin. And I think I just love it for fall. So let's try it out today. And I'm just gonna bring that straight from my temple onto my eye as well. course, on my nose. And then we'll just use our big fluffy brush. And blend that out. Next, using our blender brush, we're going to go in with the same color and powder and bring it up onto our eyes. Done. Now you certainly don't have to do this, but something really simple that can just up this a smidge is to take any shimmer powder and put it in the inner corner of the eye. Just like so. We're not going to use any eyeliner for this look. We're just going to go in with the mascara. Look how fluffy those lashes are. Are you kidding me? This is the best mascara that exists, hands down. It's a fiber lush mascara, meaning that it deposits fibers and deposits color all in one. So it's a two-step process condensed into one, and it's not flaky and it's not clunky or chunky or anything like that. And the link is in the description. Okay, it's amazing. The last thing we have to do is lip. And I couldn't decide the color that I wanted, so I'm just gonna swatch them. This is the first one. This is XOXO, a velvet lip. Then I have a liquid matte called Daddy's Girl. And it's a nice nude color. It doesn't have too much pink in it. I can't really decide. I'm gonna go with XOXO. We don't want any lipstick on our teeth. We've done that before. Wipe that off. Use this pants. And there we go. How easy was that? Pick one product that's versatile and has multiple uses. Use it for the color up on your cheeks and up on your eyelids. Just throw on a little bit of mascara and a lip. My back just cracked. Did you hear that? Boop. So here's our final look. This is a great fall look. I love it. I told you you'd be able to do it. Was I wrong? You got this. Makeup is fun. It's so much fun. I think I used a whole whopping 9 items to complete this, and all 9 are linked in the description below. Also there, you will find a link to a free consultation with me. If you want to connect, you have any questions, click on the link and get in contact with me. I'll be happy to help out with anything that I can and point you in the right direction to some of my favorite things. Check out the other beauty tutorials that we have done over the last several weeks of September, and I'm so excited to bring some more creative Halloween-inspired looks this October. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and definitely check out the other channel that I have with my husband. We release new videos every Monday just for the giggles. Just want to take a moment and say I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much for tuning in to another video. I'll catch you on the next one. Love and gratitude to you all.